Is flushing additives safe for septic solids? Many homeowners use septic additives to keep their septic systems working properly. These products are often flushed down toilets and claim to reduce odors, break down waste, and prevent costly repairs. However, many people wonder, is flushing additives safe for septic solids? The answer depends on the type of additive being used. Some products can support septic performance, while others may cause problems if used incorrectly. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Understanding septic solids. A septic tank contains 3 layers: scum floating on top, liquid wastewater in the middle, solid sludge at the bottom. Natural bacteria inside the tank help break down waste over time. This process is essential for keeping the system functioning efficiently. How flushing additives affect septic solids. 1. Biological additives can be helpful. Many septic additives contain bacteria and enzymes. These ingredients help break down organic waste and may improve the natural treatment process inside the tank. When used properly, biological additives are generally safe for septic systems. 2. Chemical additives may cause issues. Some additives contain strong chemicals that can disturb the natural balance of bacteria. If beneficial bacteria are reduced, waste may not decompose as effectively. Certain chemicals can also keep solids suspended in the wastewater instead of allowing them to settle, increasing the risk of drain field problems. 3. Additives do not replace pumping. Even if additives help break down some waste, they cannot remove all sludge and scum from the tank. Regular septic pumping is still necessary to prevent excessive solid buildup. 4. Follow product instructions. Using more additive than recommended will not improve results. Always follow the manufacturer's directions and choose products specifically designed for septic systems. Tips for maintaining septic solids. 1. Pump the septic tank regularly. 2. Avoid flushing wipes, grease, and non-biodegradable items. 3. Use water efficiently to prevent system overload. 4. Choose septic-safe household products. 5. Use additives only when necessary. So, is flushing additives safe for septic solids? In most cases, biological additives are safe when used correctly, while harsh chemical additives may create problems for the septic system. The best approach is to combine proper septic maintenance with responsible additive use. Regular inspections, pumping, and careful waste disposal remain the most effective ways to keep septic solids under control and ensure long-term system performance. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.